What time is it, Sam?
7:40.
It's church time. Alright, so kind of a day late, I guess, to posting this vlog, but so far I've been staying up to like 12:30 or something to post it. So technically, each vlog has been posted the next day. So technically, I'm still on schedule with vlogs.
On the way to Lydia's open house.
Yeah, we are. Yo, we're matching. I didn't even notice that.
Got that.
But we are.
Black. You have blue pants on.
Yeah.
Apparently I'm goth. I'm not actually, but.
Yeah, she is.
You're
the beginning of the YouTube channel too.
Yeah. Comment, like, subscribe, right here, wherever it is, somewhere, click it.
What'd you do, Claire?
It wasn't me.